Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Present Allah who is giving us a mercy and blessing at the beginning of this meeting by good condition. In this moment, we will explanation about social inequality. And here we'll explanation a little bit of social inequality, the definition of social inequality. Social inequality is the difference in economic distance between one group and another. Social inequality also known as social inequality. For form social inequality, social intervention factor and impact of social inequality, and how to overcome social inequality will be explained by my partner. For the next material, will explanation by Muhammad Faris. The time and place for him.
Okay. Factor of social inequality include. There are 3 points. Number 1, different in natural resources. Number 2, influence of globalization. And the third, location and geographic condition. I will explain one by one. Begin. Number 1, differences in natural resources. One of the factors causing social and economic inequality is the strength of natural resources in the regions. This is because the economic level of a region can be influenced by the availability of natural resources. The economic level of a society can increase if its natural resources are managed in the right way. Number 2, influence of globalization. Globalization can also create social and economic disparities in and some people are unable to adapt. So, number 3, location and geographic condition. This condition will generally affect the development process in the area. Generally, people who live in highland areas will find it difficult to build infrastructure compared to people who live in lowland areas. Therefore, this will cause people living in the lowlands develop more quickly. However, communities in the highland will find it difficult to develop. This is what will later cause social inequality. From me, the next material will be explained my partner Boris Al-Fagihuddin.
Okay, now I will explain about the form of social inequality. There are some form of social inequality. The first is economy. For the example of socio-economic inequality is the difference
in healthcare service received by the upper middle class and lower middle class communities. Typically, those in the lower middle class are treated somewhat later in the queue. And then number two is culture. Example of this social gap is the internalization of K-pop culture originating from South Korea. The global community will wholeheartedly embrace it because the image portrait of K-pop has always been positive. The third is environment. The example of this social gap is the African regions with abundant natural resources but poor governance systems. This attracts the attention of external parties to spend the natural resource there without leaving much for the broader population. The last one is psychological. The example of the social gap can be seen in companies that are both profit-oriented. However, employees tend to prioritize job security while leaders are willing to take greater risk. That's for the forms of social inequality. For the next material will be explained by my partner. Time is yours.
Last, poverty. Social inequality is a major cause of the poverty, as income inequality and limited access to resources can keep a significant portion of the population in persistently impoverished conditions that are difficult for them to expect. Then the explanation will be explained by my partner.
Okay, the next one is how to overcome social inequality. Overcoming social inequality is a complex and long-term process that involves various aspects of society. And here are some way to overcome social inequality. Number one is equitable education. Equitable education, improving access to quality education for all is crucial. This includes early childhood education, reducing disparities in school funding, and promoting educational opportunities regardless of social economic background. Number two is economic empowerment. Implement policies that promote economic equality, such as progressive taxation, minimum wage adjustment, and support for small business and entrepreneurs from underprivileged communities.